we're diving into the installation of PostgreSQL. We'll cover how to install it on 3 popular operating systems: Windows 11, Mac OS, and Ubuntu Linux. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to set up PostgreSQL on your machine, ready to start working on your database projects. Let's start with the installation on Windows 11. Begin by navigating to the official PostgreSQL website at postgresql.org. Once there, look for the Download section. You'll find the installer for Windows prominently displayed. Click on that link, and you will be directed to a page where you can select the version you want. It's usually best to go with the latest stable release. After you download the installer, locate the executable file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation process. The installer will open with a welcome screen. Click Next to proceed. You'll then come to a screen that allows you to choose the components you want to install. By default, all components are selected, which is usually a good choice. This includes the PostgreSQL server, command line tools, and additional utilities. Next, you'll be prompted to select the installation directory. The default path is usually sufficient, but if you want to change it, you can do so here. After selecting the directory, click Next again. You'll be asked to set the password for the database Superuser, often referred to as Postgres. This password is critical, as it will be required to access and manage your databases. Choose a strong password and remember it for later use. Following this, you'll set the port number. The default is 5432, which is standard for PostgreSQL. If you're not running any other services on this port, it's best to leave it as is. Click Next to continue. Finally, you'll see a summary of your choices. Review it, and if everything looks good, click Next to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Now that PostgreSQL is installed on Windows 11, let's move on to Mac OS in the next video.